Hi, Demi here. Okay, so today's look is going to be, it's still neutral, but it's going more into different colors, so it's going less from the nudes into, a color palette. It's neutral because I kept all the color low in the crease, so it's really just a pop of color. It's not a full-fledged eye. But this look is greens and a little bit of like a sunset orange color. The reason why I use the orange rather than a brown is because oranges look a lot better in my crease with my skin tone. But if you don't have an olive complexion like I do, then just a regular brown would work perfectly fine. And this look is really versatile because the two greens we used are both cool and warm tones. So you can pick whatever brown you want for your crease, or you can pick an orange, you can pick a red, you can seriously do whatever you want. I'm gonna get close, so bear with me. But it's just a light green on the lid and a metallic green on the lower lash line. If you don't have a metallic green, just use a dark green, or a dark brown would work as well, although I recommend green because that brings the eye together. But metallics look really good on the lower lash line. It brings your eyes out and it just adds shine and dimension, and it's just really nice. So if you don't have any metallic shades, if you have money to invest in that, I would recommend getting a wide range of warm and cool tones. And I might even do a video on that later because it's important enough that I've used metallics in 3 of my 5 tutorials now. So, but yeah, if you're interested to see how I got this face, then keep watching.
Okay, so like usual, I'm going to majorly fast forward through the face part of my tutorial. As usual, if you have questions about any of this, let me know, but I'm just doing my foundation, powder, and I'm doing my brows. Although I started to do my brows and then I realized that I hadn't plucked them in a little while and I needed to do that. So part of this video is me kind of shaping up my brows and going from there. I'm going to take this time to talk a little bit about what this eye look is going to be like. So the colors you're going to need are a light green, a kind of chartreuse color. I know that's kind of not necessarily something everyone has in their makeup collection, but if you have it, it works. Otherwise, a yellow or a any yellow-based color would work. Basically, you're going to be using a light green, a yellow green, which is a warm green, and for our metallic green is going to be on our lower lash line. That's going to be a cool toned green. If you only have, say, warm tone greens, or you only have cool tone greens, that's fine. It's not going to turn out like mine did, so you can still follow the steps in the tutorial. Just be aware that it's not going to look exactly the same. But I would recommend having a warm and cool tone of every color in your palette. That way you have, a lot more colors to work with. Okay, so to start the eyes, like always, just start with a primer and apply this all over your lid, a little bit into your outer V and your lower lash line. You're not going to put anything up into your crease, so it's not necessary to apply it there. So taking a light green eyeshadow, apply this in your inner corner to the first half of your eyelid. Any green will do as long as it's a warm tone. And then taking that chartreuse color, apply that on the second half of your eyelid, keeping it only on the lid. We're not bringing this up into the crease or down onto the lower lash line at all. And then make sure you're careful to blend those two colors together. If the chartreuse goes in a little bit more than the light green, that's okay. And because I'm using an orange in my crease, I'm kind of bringing the whole look together by putting a pink eyeshadow in my inner corner and along the first half of my lower lash line. This is optional, but it definitely brings your eyes out and brings the look together. And that red-orange color is the color I'm using in my crease. I'm keeping this color on my outer V and only bringing it up into the crease to blend it out with. I'm not actually applying it up above my crease like I usually do with my crease colors. And blend this out as much as you'd like. but make sure to keep it soft and to keep the color as a pop of color, not necessarily as the statement color. And then applying a gorgeous metallic green, I'm just putting this from inner corner to outer corner on my lower lash line. This kind of smokes out your eyes and really brings the whole thing together. Blending with your fingers is also always an option if you're not comfortable using a brush. And then that's it for the eyeshadow. It's really easy. I'm going to go ahead and just do my eyeliner, but as you'll see here in a second, I don't actually like the way I did my eyeliner on this eye. I like it better on the other eye, and especially with eyeliner, it can be really devastating when the eyeliner doesn't match up, or if you just don't like the shape of it, what the hell do you do? Well, in this case, what I did when I realized that I didn't like the first eye shape compared to the second eye shape, and it really depends on the way you do your shadow for you to know, whichever way. What you do is just take a Q-tip and get it wet, like I did, and then put it on the spot you want to remove, whether it's shadow or eyeliner or whatever it is. Put it on that spot and then hold it firmly and twist in the same spot, and that will immediately take the eyeliner off. And then, as you see, I immediately fixed it up. And for blush, I'm just applying a peachy pink color that matches that sunset shade that's on my crease. This just brings the face together. Any contour in your eyes should match a contour on your face. So if you're using unless you're using like a super random like dark blue in your crease, you're not going to use a dark blue for your contour on your face. But if you're using warm tones on your eyes, definitely make sure to use warm tones on your face. And then I'm just applying some mascara. With this mascara, I actually use two different ones to get the effect that I like. This is because I want my lashes to be relatively thick and dark because of the color on my lids. I don't want the color to necessarily stand out the most. I want my eyes to stand out the most. And I'm also going to apply a lip balm before I do my lips, and then just apply this nice nude lip color. And that's it. Like always, if you have questions, comments, concerns, let me know.